As a proud partner of DCSAA, we can't wait for you to start taking advantage of our exclusive benefits and convenient options that make paying your union dues a breeze. Your membership includes great benefits like receiving your payroll deposit early, no monthly maintenance fees, access to over 55,000 surcharge-free ATMs, and great lending products to meet your financial needs. So let's get started. The process is simple and seamless. After clicking on Enroll Now within the enrollment email from EdFed, you will be redirected to DocuSign. Before proceeding, you need to agree to the electronic record and signature disclosure. Once you have checked the box, select Continue to begin your enrollment. You'll begin by filling out the membership application. When filling out your name in the personal information section, it is important to fill your name out exactly how it appears on your government-issued ID. When filling out the Social Security number section, make sure to enter your complete 9-digit Social Security number. Entering an incomplete social, such as providing just the last 4 digits, will delay your account opening process. As you fill out your mother's maiden name, keep in mind that this is your mother's last name at birth. Under mailing address, you will enter the address of the location where you would like to receive your mail. If the address where you reside is different than your mailing address, you will also fill out the physical address section with your residential address. Next, you will fill out the authorization to transfer funds, which permits EdFed to transfer your union dues biweekly on paydays. When choosing your transfer amount, select the All Employees option. When completing the MDCPS job site and work location number fields, enter the school name and corresponding 4-digit work location number for where you work. For those that work at multiple sites, use the school name and work location number that is registered for your payroll. Next, you will complete the authorization for direct deposit. Indicate you are enrolling in direct deposit to EdFed by selecting Yes from the dropdown. Please note that changes will take effect on or after the July 14, 2023 payroll. By selecting Yes from the dropdown, you are indicating you would like the full or partial amount of your current MDCPS payroll deposited to EdFed. Proceed to complete the payroll deduction portion of the form by specifying whether you would like a full or partial direct deposit to EdFed. If you selected full check, enter the name of the financial institution where your current MDCPS payroll is deposited. By doing so, you are providing authorization to discontinue your ACH direct deposit to the other financial institution. If you selected partial check, enter the total amount including union dues that you would like deposited into your EdFed account in whole dollars. For example, if you would like a partial direct deposit to EdFed of $200 that would serve as savings, and your union dues are approximately $50, you would enter $250 as your partial deposit amount. Great, you're all set. If you have any questions, email DCSAA@edfed.org.